I really don't remember a time when I didn't know what OTC was. Growing up in Houston, my mom always used to talk about my grandfather coming to visit and going to OTC from East Texas. And then my dad, as a civil engineer, went to OTC a lot as well. So just coming back to Houston as an engineer, it was kind of a given to get involved. One of the years that I went to OTC, my company organized a tour group. So the younger engineers were paired with a more experienced engineer, and they walked us through the exhibit and showed us projects that they'd worked on, and it really helped to put in perspective the work that I was doing. It was really neat to see everything in real life, different from behind a computer screen. One of the huge benefits of being involved in this program committee is the fact that we're on the forefront of all of the new technologies and trends that are going to be presented at OTC. So what better avenue to take than to be involved at the very beginning of that planning process. So when I attend OTC, I see that the programs that I've worked on are there and people are attending, and that's very fulfilling. That's a very fulfilling feeling. I've received great feedback and good collaboration from other engineers to contribute to papers and programs. It's been a positive experience. So one of the goals that I had upon joining the committee was to gain a broader perspective of the industry. So as a young engineer starting out in my career, I'm working on a lot of things, again, behind a computer screen, and I don't have a good feel for what that is like in real life. At the exhibit, I get to see these pieces of equipment and see how big they actually are and see how they work with one another. And so that global perspective is really helpful for me to do a better job in my professional life. It's been a great progression, and the great thing about OTC is that it's going to continue to help me. So every year the program is different, and every year there's different technologies and trends. So I'm always going to be learning. So I think there's a couple things that's very important for young professionals to attend OTC. One of them is for the networking aspect, getting that face-to-face. So a lot of engineers work with people overseas, and they spend hours and hours communicating with them via email or phone. They never actually get to see them. And OTC is such a global conference that they actually get the chance to meet face-to-face with these people and make new connections as well. It's a great opportunity to network with professionals that have been in the industry for a long time, and to build that foundation of connections. Do not miss the networking opportunities. That is so crucial for young professionals, to build that solid foundation of a great professional network, and the opportunities are endless at OTC. There are thousands of people there, so do not miss connecting with people there. So if you want to get involved with OTC, go to otcnet.org, and there is a page where it lists all of the sponsoring societies. So whether you're a civil engineer, electrical engineer, petroleum engineer, there's a society for you. Click on that link, get involved and connected with someone in that society, go to LinkedIn, you're bound to have a mutual connection, and go from there.